linguine and clam sauce, one of my really happy favorite sort of seafoody, shellfishy, pasta-y dinners. So I've got a lot of garlic I'm gonna use all over the place. I'm getting a pan ready with some olive oil, a little crushed red pepper, and then I'm swinging back into my clam mode. So I'm gonna go ahead, give them a scrub, and let them hang out in a colander so all of the water and stuff can drain out. So I have my garlic. It has done beautiful things. This garlic has fulfilled its garlic destiny. That goes in the thank you for coming also. Now, out of my 5 dozen clams, I'm gonna go ahead and cook about 3.5 of them now, so I can use all of their beautiful clam juice, and I'm gonna pick them out of their shells to toss into my pasta later. And then I have about 1.5 dozen to top my pasta dish with. Let's go ahead and get these steamy and open. Okay, we're gonna steam them with a big drink of wine. You know, my clams are gonna be happy drunk clams. Need a little liquid in there to get the steam going. So we gave them a little drink of wine. Let's give them a little drink of water also. There we go. I'm gonna cover this up and we'll steam them, and then we're gonna save all of that juice and stuff as the liquid in my clam sauce. I've got fresh parsley and fresh oregano that I'm going to pick and chop up for my clam sauce later on. I'm gonna pull these guys out of the shells as soon as they cool down. And I've got this beautiful pot of clam juice, and it's a little winey with a little garlic and crushed red in there. I'm gonna reduce that down just a little bit to really concentrate those flavors. And I'm gonna come back and pick the clam out of the shells in a little bit to toss into my pasta sauce. All right, so pasta dropped, and let's go ahead and cook the rest of our clams. We're gonna steam these guys open. Nice, love that sound. Now I have my clam juice from my other clams. It's the liquid in my whole shooting match here. Wow, nice clammy flavor. Good things. I'll put a lid on that and steam these open. Got a whole lot of clam juice in here with a lot of garlic and crushed red pepper. Look at these little sexy babies. Okay, we're gonna add a little butter to finish this up and kind of thicken it up, give it a velvety texture. I love a velvety texture in my clam sauce. All right, let that melt. Pasta, herbs, and some cheese to finish that up. Now we're gonna toss this around. And we have that pasta absorb in that deliciousness of the sauce, so we really get everything, together there. Good stuff. A little cheese. You know what? Sometimes people have an issue with seafood and cheese. If you do, skip the cheese. I love it. It adds a perfect salty tang to me. Now, I'm really right in there with that. Okay. Look at that. Those herbs, because I added them just at the last second with all of that big fat finishing oil, is really perfect. All right, I'm getting in here. I'm getting in here.